My name is Casey, and if you are new here, I would love for you to take 1 second and go down below and subscribe and click the little bell button so you'll never miss when I post a new video. So today I'm super excited because I'm doing something a tad bit different than what I usually do on my channel. If you guys have been noticing, there's this trend going around on YouTube where people are trying so-and-so's tutorial. So there are people copying makeup tutorials, people copying hair tutorials. I've seen so many of them so far. I saw Leah Aliana, she copied Jackie Ina's makeup tutorial. I saw Tiara Walker also copy Jackie Ina's tutorial. I saw Chizzy Duru, oh my gosh, I watched 2 of hers. She copied Natural 85's hair tutorial, which was so funny, and then she also followed Jasmine Brown's hair tutorial, which was hilarious because obviously they have 2 totally different hair textures, so that was really funny to watch. I think I may have seen a few other ones and I'm not sure who started it, but yeah, I just wanted to put out there that I did not start this trend and I'm just following along. So today I'm going to be following one of Iknowlee's hair tutorials. She did this a few months ago when the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey collection first came out, and when I first saw the video, I loved the style so much because I felt like it was something that I could do on my tapered cut, but I just never got a chance to try it. So now that this trend is happening, I figured this would be the perfect time for me to go ahead and give it a try. So I am going to follow the routine step by step. I have all of the products that she used in that video. So I'm going to play the tutorial on the screen, and I'm also going to watch it here.
So I'm starting off with freshly cleansed and deep conditioned hair.
Okay, pause. I'm not starting on freshly washed hair just for the simple fact that if I were to wash my hair, it would not look like hers. Her hair is a lot thicker and a lot denser than mine, so I figured I would just start on an old twist out because my hair, when it's in this state, is more similar to the state that her hair is in naturally. So let's continue.
It's feeling really soft right now, and I'm gonna move on to my lock method. So I'm using the new Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, which has major slip and feels amazing on the hair. It also smells delicious. So
pause. Typically when I apply a leave-in conditioner, I apply it in sections, so I'm kind of nervous to just put this all over my head. But I know Lee did it, so I'm gonna do it too. And my hair is dry, so I'm just gonna put it all around the same way she did.
Into my head, and then I'm moving on to their Mongongo oil. This is the Pomade to oil treatment, and I'm going to use that to seal in the moisture from shampooing my hair and from the actual leave-in conditioner.
Okay, pause. So this is the only product that I've never tried that I had to purchase in order to do this video. I think it's really just an oil that helps with frizz, to seal in moisture like she said, and it smells really good. And typically, like I said, I would not just apply this like this. Like, I would section my hair off, but I'm following her tutorial today, so interesting. I love the way it smells.
We're going to move on to the actual styling process.
Oh God.
You will need a rat tail comb, and I'm going to create a diagonal part going across the side of my head. You can do this part however you want to, but I just found that this direction looks the best on me, so I'm going to spend some time to really make sure that the part is straight.
Alright, y'all, I suck at parting. We about to see if I can do it. Oh, heck no. Okay. Hold up, let me try doing it this way. Oh, okay, not too bad. Oh, okay, that's not too hard. Alright, so I think I finally had my part. I think that this section is way bigger than hers, but it's okay.
Time to really make sure that the part is straight, and then I'm going to move on to the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curling
Mine is like
Custard,
empty.
which is a jelly-like texture. I am parting my hair in triangular sections and peep the curls. Then I'm going to move on to the edge gel and slather that around the edges of the section, smooth it in, and I will be rolling these into tiny little cute making sure that I tuck in the edges.
Y'all, I suck at bantu knots. Like, I really suck. So we're gonna do this one little section like she did it and see how it works. Let me move the mirror back so you guys can see. Okay, so she did little triangular parts. Parting for me, I think, is like the hardest part of styling my hair. Like, I really freaking suck at parting. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the custard. I love this stuff. I use it for wash and goes usually though. So as you can see, mine is almost empty. So I'm gonna take a little bit, put it on. I love this stuff. And then I'm also going to take the edge gel. Love this too. Use this to really smooth that down. Now, I attempt to bantu knot. Okay, let me back up. I'm gonna just twirl my finger around, and cause she didn't really show how to do it, and I don't know how to bantu knot. Okay. What the heck is this? Okay, hold up.
This particular style, the parting is very important, so make sure that it's fairly straight, and we're going to repeat the process. So apply the curling custard and then the edge gel around the sections. Smooth it in with the brush if you need to, and then roll it into a bantu knot. Now we're going to quickly go
how to do that. Whew. After like 30 tries, I finally figured out how to freaking bantu knot. It doesn't look horrible, but it don't look as good as Iknowlee's, that's for sure. So I'm doing these last two bantu knots, and then I'm gonna come back and finish up. Okay, so I finally finished the bantu knots. They didn't come out bad. It looks pretty decent. I'm ready to start twisting the side the way she did, so let's go ahead and watch how she does it and see how to do it.
Now we're going to move on to the Mielle Organics Twisting Souffle. This is also from the new Pomegranate and Honey line.
Smells so good.
Can I just say that I am feeling the texture of this butter. So I'm going to part these sections and detangle them with my dimming brush. I did apply a generous amount of the product, and then I am going to flat twist each section all the way down. Sometimes detangling again helps you kind of smooth the product in.
Okay, so I don't have a dimming brush. My dimming brush actually is split in half. That's a whole different story. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and start parting and twisting the way she did, and following along. Flat twisting, I can do. I can flat twist. That's my specialty right there. So I think that this part is gonna be a lot easier than the bantu knot, okay? So since I don't have a dimming brush, I'm probably just gonna detangle with my fingers, because that's what I usually do anyway.
Two-strand twist because it was just going to be too much work to even attempt to flat twist them. So this is what my hair looked like after I had finished.
My hair actually is long enough to flat twist in the back, so I think I am going to flat twist it in the back because flat twisting is just easier for me for some reason. So I'm going to flat twist it, but like she said, she slept on her hair overnight. I am actually not going to do that because obviously I have to film the whole video today. So I'm just gonna sit under a dryer, but let me finish twisting my hair and then I'll come back and explain that. Okay, so I finished twisting my hair and the back looks kind of crazy, but it's okay. So the top is twisted and the side is bantu knotted, just like hers. So like I said, she slept in hers overnight, but I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer for a little while. I just have this like portable little blow up dryer that I'm gonna sit under for like an hour while I sit here and do some homework. I got this from Sally's, I think, a while ago. I know there's an updated version of it, so I'll put the link to it down below. But you basically just plug it up and then turn it on. And then it blows up. And voila.
Overnight and in the morning, it is time to take it out. So I'm using the Mielle Organics mint almond oil, and I just applied that to kind of prevent frizz. And then I'm gonna go through and take down every single section.
Sorry if you guys can hear the fan in the background. I don't know why in this room sometimes that fan comes on, but I don't think I've opened this. Oh, I have. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. So she just took a little bit of this basically to prevent some frizz, and it's not coming out. So, yay. Okay, I'm just gonna pour a little bit in my hand. Okay. I'm gonna just take a little bit just to prevent frizz. Oh, let me not mess up my bantu knots that already look crazy. So they're all out. This is what it looks like without being plucked or anything. I kind of wish I would have made the ones in the front a little bit smaller, so you know, the sections would be a little smaller, but it's okay.
My handy dandy pick to kind of get rid of all of the parting, and then also add a bit of volume to my hair and just shape it to fix my face, and literally that is it, guys.
Okay, so I have my pick and I'm just going to also pick it for some volume as I usually would. Okay, so at the end of her tutorial, she just did kind of like a little review on the Mielle products that she used. So we're not gonna watch that part, but it came out pretty good, you guys. My hair is uneven, obviously, so that's why it looks a little lopsided, but I think I did a pretty good job. Do I look like her? Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Those will really help me out. And comment below if you think I nailed Iknowlee's tutorial. Like I said, these bantu knots was not easy, but the other side came out pretty decent. The Mielle Organics products are bomb, so I knew that the products weren't going to be the problem. I just really suck at styling my hair. So thanks again for watching, guys, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.